Good evening everyone and welcome to the Maharashtra Premier League Season 2. We are all set for match number 22. The Chhatrapati Sambhaji Kings, the men in yellow, have won the toss and they will be bowling first. Ratnagiri Jets and the Chhatrapati Sambhaji Kings. Dheeraj Patangare, Preetham Patil, Divyang Hingnekar, Azim Kazi. Chhatrapati Sambhaji Kings, Om Bhosle, Murtaza Trankwala, the captain, Onkar Khatpe, Digvijay Patil, the two batters in top form. Dheeraj Patangare and Preetham Patil. Pranay Singh getting ready to bowl 5 wickets this season.
3, 2, 1,
New match on a wonderful evening.
We've had matches on each pitch for 2 days. So on the second day, it does get tight. Top pitch! That's the first runs for Ratnagiri Jets.
Oh, that's a top quality shot. Square cut and cut with some power.
Good start. Another one. Another boundary. Now it's not going to be easy, Pranay Singh, on this surface, where they have to wait for the other team. This time, short delivery. And as we were talking, you can't err in line or length. Short delivery. Is that a 6?
Oh, down the leg side. Extras galore here in the first innings. There'll be 5 wides. Catch it is the call. And that's taken by Shams Kazi.
Believe in your strengths. This is what he did there. Bowled wicket to wicket. 33 for 1 now.
Divyang Hingnekar yesterday also batted at number 3. Oh, nicely driven over the infield. A couple of bounces into the fence. Hingnekar goes for it. Last one of the power play starts with the boundary.
Now then, yes, no, has to run back. Not happy, Divyang, with Dheeraj. Yeah, with that misfield, he was trying to take that single.
46 for 2 are the Jets. A charismatic Azim Kazi.
Ratnagiri Jets at the halfway mark, 67 for 2. And a wicket. What a start. And the pressure finally told on Patangare.
बिल्कुल जब डॉट बॉल बढ़ते हैं तो दबाव आता है 67 for 3.
Kiran Chormale.
आपको अच्छी बल्लेबाजी करनी है. हवा में गेंद थी, मौका बनाया था पर टफ था, इतना आसान नहीं था कैच. मौका है यहाँ पर और ये डायरेक्ट हिट. बिल्कुल थर्ड अंपायर के पास जाएंगे अंपायर.
Yes, that's out. 77 for 4. Nikhil Nayak walks out to the crease. He's bowled 2 very good overs. Oh, yes! First ball! What's going on here? Nikhil Nayak!
और निखिल नायक बड़ा शॉट मारने की तलाश में यहाँ पर. टॉप एज शॉट थर्ड पर आउट हो गए. बढ़िया गेंदबाजी हितेश वालंज की. क्या ब्रेक थ्रू दिला है जो रन आउट के बाद 77 पर 5.
That brings Abhishek Pawar. Thus far. And what a way to break the shackles by Abhishek Pawar.
Rajavardhan Hangarkar comes in to bowl a short ball. Nicely pulled away by Abhishek Pawar. Attacking batters. Oh, nicely hit over the bowler's head. Yes, the moment it left the bat, runs written all over it. Oh, down the leg side. Nicely done there by Abhishek Pawar. 2 back-to-back boundaries to finish a very good over this for. Yeah, the way he's running also is a clear indication that he is not comfortable. Oh, not at all. It is painful. I think the physio has been called again on the field of play. Walking back to the dugout, retired hurt.
Scored runs pretty quickly. He scored his 34 of 21 balls.
Close to 150. It's high up. The bowler takes a very good catch off his own bowling. Anand Thenge.
अगर कोई पास में खड़ा भी होता ना तो he would have said I'm going to take this. I trust myself more than anybody else because I've gone for 43 runs in my quota of 4 overs. At least let me have 2 wickets. He had 1 wicket before this. Yogesh Chauhan couldn't open his account. 137 for 6.
Oh, he will get runs here and 4 of them. There was a fielder at short third and deep point as well. Nicely hit. Yes, that'll be a maximum. If you were to have a quick look at the batting card of the Ratnagiri Jets, Dheeraj Patangare and Preetham Padil got off to starts in the power play. But in the first half of this innings, the Ratnagiri Jets were in a bit of bother. That's where 77 for 5 they were. So if you look at the bowling attack, good bowling all around, especially the left arm spinner Hitesh Walunj. 4 overs, 2 for 24. The target for the Chhatrapati Sambhaji Kings to win this match will be 153 runs in 20 overs.
Om Bhosle and Murtuza Trunkwala. Look at Om Bhosle's figures, 197 runs.
Murtuza Trunkwala, just 61 runs to his name so far in the tournament.
Pradeep Dhade has picked up 7 wickets, 6.5 is his economy. All set then. Oh, coming back in. Nice swing. You've always seen that from Pradeep Dhade. Yeah, Trunkwala this time pitched up. And has he sent it long? Yes, 6 runs. Again goes away from him. Just gives the ball some direction and gets 4. Moving in the crease, Trunkwala. And plays the shot exactly where the fielder was placed a couple of balls earlier. And after that, yes, comes down the track. Om Bhosle.
Up and over the short third will take another boundary. Om Bhosle.
Vijay Pawale versus Om Bhosle. 1 inning, he has picked up the wicket of Om Bhosle. Time around, it's going to be 9 runs on that. Oh, maybe overthrows. Oh, yes. Ratnagiri Jets. We haven't seen that happen before. There was Dheeraj Patangare. Satyajit Bachao comes in, creates a chance on the very first ball. Is that taken? Doesn't look like. What an effort there though. Was dying on him. Kiran Chormai had a good day with the bat in hand.
Yeah, very nearly got a wicket on the first ball, and that's what you're looking for. But take a look at this effort. Wow. It reminds me of a catch in the 1992 World Cup. Ajay Jadeja took a catch like that in 1992. Well, that's a poor delivery. Rare poor delivery by Satyajit Bachao.
The slip in place with the batter, connected well. 1 bounce, 4 runs. Attacking batting continues from Om Bhosle, and that's 50 on the board for CSK.
And plays that one over point, will get a boundary. Murtuza Trunkwala is not one to be stopped here. He is not ready to go down here. Oh, deftly played there, deftly played there. The ball will win the race. Vijay will not be able to stop that one. Round the wicket now. Looking for a single and will get it quite easily in the end. You can see, oh, looking for a second. Oh, it's a boundary. Overthrow.
Happened early on. There was nobody backing.
Kamal once again. Shot his delivery, pull that one. Deep back of square leg, yet another boundary. Runs are coming in a flow here. Murtuza Trunkwala. Final delivery, change in pace. Ball will win the race.
When the going's good, you make it really good. Down the ground and up and over. Long on. Another 6 there by Om Bhosle.
Yes, Murtuza responds and Om Bhosle gets his third half century of the Maharashtra Premier League. Second in last two matches. Brilliant batting from the left-handed Om Bhosle. Attacking intent and also great understanding with his partner.
Behind square. Was that clean ball? Was that played on? Yes, it was.
Come a little too late, or is that an opening that they were looking for? Just trying to be a little cute, wanted to go towards that third man area. 114 for 1 are CSK. Way he started, he was the top run getter. Oh yes! What a peach of a delivery that is! Out of nowhere, Vijay Paule comes into the attack and picks up not one, but two. Bowled by him.
Well, to me, that is probably the delivery of the tournament so far. Omkar Khatpe departs for 3. It's 123 for 2.
Digvijay Patil is the new batter.
Om Bhosle is still there. Oh, lucky, lucky, lucky. Yes, a boundary. Vijay Pavle back for his final over. And the very first delivery. What a shot. What a start to the over. Vijay Pavle has caused all the damage. Om Bhosle is equal to the task here. Chau's back now. Trying a reverse sweep. And we'll get a boundary here. Om Bhosle is now sensing victory. Yes.
Whenever you speak to them, you're going to learn something from them. Another boundary for Om Bhosle. And that's match done. 2 points for CSK. Beating the champions by 8 wickets.
Fantastic effort by Om Bhosle. Leading the charge, finishing unbeaten on 81. And also going top of the list of the Chandu Borde orange cap. Just snatched the cap from Rahul Tripathi. That's the winning moment. Typical style from Om Bhosle. Gets a boundary to seal the deal. He's the man of the moment tonight. 81 not out, 54 deliveries. This is the match summary. Ratnagiri Jets batted first after being asked to bat. Made 152 for 6 in their 20 overs. Tormale top scored. Walunj and Thenge picked up 2 wickets apiece. And in the response, Om Bhosle and Trankwala scripted memorable chase. Win the contest. 17.5 overs with 8 wickets to spare.